So if we consider this circuit over here, all these points have potential equal to A. So all these points have potential equal to A, and all these points have potential equal to B. Now somewhere over here, which is an intermediate point, we are marking it as C. So if I redraw this circuit, then I can draw it this way, that there is a point A and the three resistances are coming from A to C, and then it is going to B. So it is 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, and the combination over here which is joining us with B is also having 1. So let us first of all calculate the value for this parallel network. So since all are 1, so R parallel is going to be 1 by 3 ohm. And this is in series with this segment. So R series 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3 ohm. So if we write the effective value of resistance, then it is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So we get this as 4 by 3 and 7 by 3. So we get the value equal to 4 by 7 ohm. So for this particular combination, C option is correct, that is 4 by 7.